We want another race. She wants another race, Trainer Jenny.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest is the winner, and that is the ring race. So, the ring race is showing. Remember guys, that was the 21 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Mic up. Here's first ring. What's happening? Oh, Sassy Peter! And the winner is Sassy! Trainer Jerry, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
He thinks you cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Yes! A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Jerry and Trainer Vina. Boys are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not to get bored. Here's Sassy, our Greenway Mako, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shake back with the correct slug. Just like Sassy, Greenway Mako is from South America. They're known to be the gentle giants of the Palu family. That's because they are the second largest next to the highest Makos. They can grow up to 92 centimeter in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. And for the last shade, there you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Vina. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave people baffled in a maze. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before calling our mathematical wizard, I needed 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? What number? 10. So the second number is number 10. How about the second number? What number? 20. So the second number is number 20. So the equation is 10 plus 20. But before calling our mathematical wizard, Trainer Jerry will shuffle the numbers.
Naliligo na sa pawis.
Ready? Now let's call it our hybrid Mako, Rocky! Look at that, what a beautiful entrance. Is Rocky ready? Go Rocky, solve the equation for us. 10 plus 20. He gets the first number correct! How about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Maybe he knows the answer. And he gets the number 0. So 10 plus 20 equals to 30. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Jerry. This time, I need a volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone here who wants to be the lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hand and Trainer Angel will choose one. Okay, we got one. You will notice our birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they're highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Okay, sir, naka-black. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Manila Ocean Park, what is your name? One round of applause for Mr. Zeddy. Okay, sir, can I have your phone? Please follow me. Sir Zeddy, all you have to do is stand right here, facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this. And I will put your body between your feet. So, sir, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? Let's see. Now let's go to our body. Body flies over. What you gonna do, body? Oh, we get the money. And flies back. And I think body will donate the money. A round of applause for Jonah. Sir, I have a question. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds?
Wala ka lang pamasahe.
Well, now you know your mother will go long, long way and we're very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now back to your seat and
Yeah.
enjoy the rest of the show.
Nawala na yung 500.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. How about 1,000 decibel this time?
Hindi na.
Wala na.
Jenny, are you okay? Yeah, you look so sad. Sir, we're just leaving some part of the show. Please come back here in front. Okay, Buddy, say something. Before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, all you have to do is stand right here. Where's your camera? Okay, look at your camera and over your cheek. Ready? Nice. Do one more. How about on your head? Please open your palm. Look at the camera and smile. Alright, here's your money. A round of applause for Lucky Volunteer.
Baka sabihin kasi, ini-scam tayo.
Oo.
Now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talents in beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Presenting our Brahmini guide, here comes Speed. Brahmini guide, also known as Master Seekers, one of our favorite species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, and including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They locally known as Lawing or Pangong in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homemade pigeons. Homemade pigeons is an eating holding a bee. They are generally very good to nest and lay. A round of applause for our Brahmini guys and our homemade pigeons. Here in the Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to make our friends in the sea, but also in us in the air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our lovely birds to show us the proper waste disposal. Let's go,